Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our all-new 2019 Harris Floatboat 250 Grand Mariner. I'm going to go ahead and start with the loungers in the front. I want to point out that they do have the pillow top furniture. It's in the gray accent color. Next, I want to point out that they do have cup holders in the armrest, which fold up to get out of the way. I'd also like to point out just the tons of storage that are in these boats. All the water will drain over the sides and over the back, keeping everything in here nice and dry. Next, I'd like to point out we have the lighted cup holders and under seat lighting. It's RGB, so it does change colors. It's pretty nifty. From there, I'll show you the ski locker. Tons of room to put all your stuff in there. Right now, we do have the table that can be optioned, fitted in the front or in the back of the boat, whichever you'd like. Down here we do have additional storage. You can put your fenders in there for quick access. It's pretty nice. So from there we'll go to the helm. This does have a glove box in the top, so you can keep all your personal items nice, safe, and secure. Then we have the Simrad Go 5. That's the all-in-one touchscreen, navigation, fish finder, depth finder, JL audio system, which comes with JL audio speakers, JL audio head unit, and an amp. Back here I'd like to show you this large lounging area, and this swing back, it's what we call the single lounger. It does go forward with a push of a button, so you can lounge back here nicely. There's also a built-in remote, so you can control the sound system from back here, and it also has your inputs and a charger. Next up, we do have the swim step. This, you pull a pin out, it folds down in the water, so it's a nice convenient place for you to swim up to the boat and get on and off very easily. When you're underway, you keep these chains up to keep everyone safely in the boat. Right here, we do have a ski tow bar. You can tow your wakeboarders, skiers, tubers, everyone behind there. Also, we have the Mercury 300. It's a very quiet and very reliable motor, very powerful as well, so it'll get you where you need to go. Again, this is Billy Folks here with MarineMax in Houston. Come see us.